Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
Goodness gracious, guys, is this thing not absolutely beautiful? So this is our Carolina Sparta model that is located here at our sales center in Burlington. And it has always been one of my favorite plans. And as far as this exterior goes, this is pretty hard to beat. So this is a 6x30 raised saddle roof style porch. The two triangles on top are purely decorative or optional. So what I mean by that, as far as the saddle roof, this middle of the roof portion is actually, creating the overhang. It is a 6x30, what you're seeing today. Beautiful stamped concrete walkway leading you up into one of the prettiest staircases I have ever seen. So we will talk about your front porch, the size, the finishes, all that kind of stuff. You are seeing the always popular regatta blue siding today. As you can see, we did the entire house foundation in the brick, tying in the brick columns here, or the brick bases on those columns. No shutters today, just the white lineals, which is tying in kind of the white gutters and downspouts and white soffits and all that kind of stuff, which you can do in black. All right. I just love the Carolina Sparta's, main space. It's just super nice with all the glass, natural light, just that nice open concept. And then obviously the kitchen is really the main selling point of this house. Absolutely phenomenal kitchen, which we'll get more into as we go. Gonna pan back around to that dining area. So again, this is the Sparta plan located at our sales center at 2450 North Church Street in Burlington, North Carolina. Come see us. I'd love to show it to you. All right, so in the living area, check out the beautiful coffered ceilings. There's your shiplap fireplace. That is a gas fireplace. You've seen wood. You've seen the electric inserts. We've got it all, but this is really beautiful. Like most people, we're really big on natural light, so we put as many transom windows in here as we could over every window and door. We're going to start you with luxury vinyl plank in the main spaces and wet areas. Carpet is included in the bedrooms. That's what you will see today in our model as well. Yes, you can run the flooring in the bedrooms if you would like. Now, one thing that's valuable to me as far as our sales center go, this is the only kitchen we show on our lot with the laminate tops. And as you can see, they look really good. When I tell people that, they hit the floor just and almost don't believe me. But they look really good. Got that rounded edging there. Your stainless steel farmhouse apron sink. As you can expect, we have tons of options with that. Black sinks, not seeing the apron style sinks, 50-50, 60-40, you name it, we got it. The outlets and switches are actually undermounted in today's video. You can see the under cabinet lighting. And then I'll show you some outlets. Huge island capped off by 2 pot and pan drawers here in your island. Soft close, full extension, all that kind of stuff is included. And then this is my personal favorite part about the Sparta is this pantry, which we showed this new cool. So obviously, you know, like a traditional barn door has nowhere to slide. So we've got the bifold barn door. Really cool option, opening up to your enormous pantry. You have seen the optional wood shelving. So yes, that is an option, or I can just leave it out and you can do whatever you want. Really good sized pantry though. And at this point you have seen, in one of my recent videos, you have seen this plan with the post removed. You have seen it built into the island. And then obviously our model is showing it here in its traditional location. So some people like it. If you don't, we can talk about removing it. It just depends on what you want to do. All right, so we're approaching the spare bedroom side of the house. I did want to show you the microwave nook. So you've seen the appliance shelf a lot lately. There's your microwave nook. And then I feel like I say it on every video, you can mount your microwave there or build it into the island if you would like. So those are all options. Okay, let's check out bath 2. This is a really good size bath 2. And then straight ahead off of that kitchen would have been bedroom 3. Nice big double window even in the spare bedrooms, which is not only going to let in more natural light, but it looks better from the exterior as well. This is one unique thing about the Sparta. Even at 1,800 square feet, all 3 bedrooms have walk-in closets. Really nice. All right, so next stop is going to be the utility room. Very solid utility room here. Washer and dryer, and then you do have a spot for, say, a sink. We went with a storage closet, but whatever you want to do in this space here. Washer and dryer hookup, notice how it's recessed so you can put your stuff all the way against the wall. You could do your garage off of this door, carport, whatever, steps, deck. You have seen it all. And then this is bedroom 2. Again, I mean, for 1,800 square feet, really solid bedrooms. Got some different plans set up here that I point out as I give you the tour. All right, so let's cross that main space and check out the master suite. What I love about this master bedroom is you do have this nice little buffer area kind of leading you into that bedroom, which is a really nice sized bedroom. And what I would say with that as well, if you were to Google the original Sparta plan, the closet door would be there. We show it accessed with a pocket door in that master bath. But typically it would be here. We'll talk about that, you know, what you want to do there. Along with that farmhouse theme, you got your traditional barn door here. It always shocks people how well they roll. Really smooth. You are seeing the optional trade ceiling. So a lot of fancy ceiling work in this house today, fancy doors. Look at all the cabinetry. Shocks me every time I come in here. If I had this at my house, I would love it. To my right is the water closet. You've got that pocket door accessing the closet, and then you are seeing the 4x8 shower. If you're not going to go with the big shower and you want to work a tub in, that's no big deal. Got many videos and variations that we can look at. Figure that stuff out. All right. So again, this is the Carolina Sparta located at our sales center in Burlington, North Carolina. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It helps me out tremendously with my videos and getting them out there. Thank you guys so much. New videos every Monday and Thursday. My email is shields, SHIELDS, at nccustomodulars with an S.com. Please email me directly. Thank you guys. Take care.